good day. First thing on this video, I wanted to introduce myself first. I am Ysmael Dappanan and I'll be your host and speakers for today's video. So what I'm gonna show is about compression test performed in an 4K gasoline engine. So let's go! In doing this test, we have steps and procedures needs to be followed to be able to accomplish the activity properly. Step 1 is to warm up the engine to operating temperature. Step 2, stop the engine before removing the spark plugs, blow dirt away from your outside with compressed air. Step 3, remove the spark plugs, arrange according to the number where it was being removed. Step 4. Lock the throttle in wide open position. This is to prevent an engine with carburetor from sucking fuel into cylinders. Step 5. Connect a remote starter switch between S terminal of the starter solenoid and the underground battery. Step 6. Insert the compression gauge into the spark plug hole and crank the engine at least 4 compression strokes. Check and record the reading. Do the same with all the spark plugs. Note, it is a good practice to count the number of compression strokes indicated by the movement of the gauge needle and check each cylinder with the same number of strokes. Step 7. Check the pressure reading against the engine technical manual, which said found showing on your screen.
Low pressure indicates leakage through valves, rings and gaskets. Variation in cylinder pressure more than 10% usually indicate a need for cylinder reconditioning.
Step 8. If cylinder shows poor result, perform wet compression test. Squirt about a tablespoon of oil into each low cylinder. Step 10. When compression test is completed, reinstall spark plug and perform 5S habit. So, good day. So, I am Ysmael Dappanan and I'm gonna be your speaker for today. Today, I'm gonna show you how to determine how many volts enters your starter when starting. In short, it is called the cranking voltage test, performed in an 4K gasoline engine. So, let's go! Step 1. Check the battery voltage content first before doing the test. Step 2. Use a remote starter to bypass the ignition switch. Step 3. Connect the voltmetter's negative lead to a good chassis ground. Step 4. Connect the voltmetter's positive lead to the starter motor feed at the relay or solenoid. Step 5. Crank the engine using the remote starter and check the reading. Okay, so here's another simple video I'm going to present, and it is all about measuring piston ring and gap. It is performing on 5K gasoline engine, so good luck. I hope you like it. Step 1. Install the individual ring into a specific cylinder. The ring must be squared in the bore. You can accomplish this with one of the pistons accompanied with the cylinder you are dealing with. In order to check the gap, a common feeler gauge is used. Insert the feeler gauge in the gap to determine the dimension and be sure to record the measurements. Next is to measure the ring and gap at the center of the cylinder. So again, use a piston to square the ring into the center of the bore. Next, measure the ring and gap, and again, make sure to record the measurements. Next, square again the piston ring using the piston until the bore bottom is reached. Then measure the ring and gap. The final step, read what is written and showing in front of your screen.